A man in Columbus suffered burns today while trying to put out a fire at his grandmother's house. Firefighters there shared these pictures with us. They say the 83-year-old woman who lives at this home woke up when she heard the smoke alarm and got out, but her grandson then came over and tried to put the fire out with a garden hose and got burned on the arm. First responders treated him at the scene and we're told he should be okay. Who's your